Hello, I'm going to show you how to create the circle for the color wheel. It's actually very fast and there is a trick for that. But first, we probably want to put the color wheel on the center of the page, so we have to find the center. And because the page is 8.5 inches, so therefore the middle would be 4.25, and once again, just to be sure, 4.25, and we will draw a line and through these two dots, not pressing on the pencil so hard because we need to erase extra lines after we finish. Now, suppose we want to make the circle, let's say, 6 inches diameter, so therefore radius has to be 3 inches, so we have to measure 3 inches, right? Not very good compass, 99 cents, but I will try to do my best. So I positioned the middle part on the center, and here we have the circle. Now, how to divide it by 6? It's not a problem at all because we're going to use the same radius. And so radius 3 inches, 1, radius 3 inches, 2, 3. Yes, and I'm not gonna even make these marks on this side because we will deal without that. So this is the middle of the circle. This is mark 1, this is mark 2. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna draw the line once, and then we're gonna draw the line second time. What time? Through the center. So we already divided the circle in 6 equal inches. The problem is though we need to divide it on 12, so that means we have to make a couple of more lines. Not a problem actually, because here goes the logic. If this is 3 radius, remember, so we want to divide also this 3 equally on 2 parts, so 3 divided by 2, it's going to be 1.5. So I will use just simple centimeters, simple ruler. So 3, okay, 1.5 here, then 1.5 here, and 1.5 the last time. And again, there's no need to do the same thing on this side because we will just draw the lines through the center of the circle. So 1 and 1 more. And last time here. Just try to be as precise as possible. So it's going to be precisely from the mark and precisely through the center. Okay, so that's it. We have 12 divisions. Not to color each one to the center because it's going to be a little bit too much. We will define the ending space, let's say approximately like this. And we do not need the central part, therefore I told you not to press on the pencil so much because it has to be neat. So we do not need these lines whatsoever at the center of our creation. So basically color wheel is ready. So what we have to do, after that, of course, we have to put the paints, the brushes, and we will define where we will put what color. And, let's say the primary colors of the color wheel is red, yellow, and blue. So if red would be here, then yellow would be 1, 2, 3 here, and the blue would be 1, 2, 3 here. That's it. So we will deal with red, yellow, and blue, and then we will deal with secondary color, which in this case would be orange. In this case, it would be green. In this case, would be purple. But that's gonna come later. At this point, you have to make very neat preparation for the color wheel, the circle, which is divided by 12 parts, and you see how much time it was, just 1 minute probably. Very simple. Okay,